Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown in Moultrie, Georgia, with cash commodity comments for Monday. It's about 4:20. Markets really took a poke in the eye with a sharp stick today. Let's just get right on them. There was a lot of bad news coming out of Europe today. It looks like Greece is going to really default, and Spain now is just finally confessed that she is in deep ice cream and needs a lot of money. And so those factors drove the dollar higher, sent global stock markets lower, sent the U.S. stock market lower, and really influenced a lot of the commodities markets to trade sharply lower, with crude oil really leading the charge. Crude oil finished very strong last week, but was down $3.50 a barrel today, and with the September contract going out around 88.5 dollars. Getting over to cotton. Cotton had a better close Friday, but it did try and look pretty good. It tried to rally some today, but I think the outside markets just proved too bearish, too much bearish influence, and of course the grain's breaking too. So cotton, although threatened 73 cents, again couldn't stay up there. We went out around 72.19, but cotton still has a momentary fighting chance here to do a little better, simply because we are noticing that the U.S. crop we think is going backwards. I don't know what USDA says, and we're going to try to talk to some of our foreign contacts in India and China as to what those crops are looking like. But again, cotton, I'm not ready to throw the towel in on that. Grains today just took a spill. It's probably to be expected. December corn traded $8 last night, then fell out from there. Tried to rally back to unchanged at one time, but then finished down about 10 cents around that's September, around 8.14. Wheat took it hard today, down 30 cents. Beans took it really hard, down 59. There is a hint of rain, and when you're such at lofty levels as we are now, just the psychology of that is pretty negative to the market. Really, no rain has fallen, no general rain, and I don't know that I really see much rain, although there is a shot, I think, Wednesday, Thursday for Illinois, Ohio, in the southern Wisconsin. Those areas might see some rain. Certainly there are areas of the Midwest where rain doesn't matter, but for the beans, they could still get some rain and make a crop. So beans were down almost 60 cents today, and that looks pretty nasty. I think I think we've had an inflection point here. For the longest time in this rally, the actual market has led the news, where now I think the news is going to start leading the market. So just keep that in mind. And for corn, I don't really think corn's through going up, but certainly it could take a little spillage in here, particularly if these outside markets get to tumbling, because these traders trade the whole spectrum of markets, and they will begin to liquidate positions in the grains, which are profitable, to cover losing position in other markets. So just keep that in mind. Again, fuel today took a nosedive because of the strong dollar. Let's see what tomorrow holds. Turn around Tuesday, and we'll be on here. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.